This type of the painting is meant for the Christmas occasion. Here we are making this Xmas tree in just few simple steps using some colorful sheets of the paper. In the background we are just tracing down some of the gifts. This looks so nice. We will now try to make the Xmas tree. For this we are taking some of the paper strips and then we are folding them and pasting them one after the other. This looks so nice and easy, best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Again we are going to make a beautiful Xmas tree inspired card. For this you just have to make these fan shapes. These will represent the branch of the Xmas tree. This is so good and easy. Just paste it inside as shown on your screens. Add the further details like the snowflakes in the background. It's time to make a 3D Christmas card. For this you require the two different colorful sheets of the paper and then you just have to cut them carefully. Difficulty level for this one is medium difficult and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. You may need glue stick for pasting all these trees together. Now we are just inserting him inside the red color sheet of the paper that acts as the outer card.